Alright guys, welcome back to more
She's
Tears of the
dude,
Kingdom.
she's fucking 12, bro.
Yeah, you
That shit's
probably shouldn't
funny.
say
She's 12.
anything then.
No, that shit's funny, dude. No, because dude, how fucking tall were you at 12? Because I wasn't that tall.
As tall as her?
I was a short
Oh, she is a
motherfucker.
Gerudo.
I was a short motherfucker. I was a short motherfucker, bro.
At 12?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I was not tall at 12.
most people aren't. Alright, let's see where I need to go. Yeah, I know how you could be afraid of something that moves that slow, you know?
Yeah.
So now I just go to the center thingamajig, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm about to suffer from heat stroke, bruh.
Hmm.
Did I pass it?
Mayhaps.
Where the fuck am I going? So how you doing, Mike?
I'm doing pretty well, you know, that airline food.
What's your obsession with airline food?
Long waiting times.
I guess so. Man. I just need to come back
Among.
here so I can find out where the fuck I'm going.
Yeah.
So she should be at the tip.
Yes.
Um. Oh, over here. Is that Zelda, dude? The real Zelda?
I'm mad.
You gonna walk up there? Oh shit. How come she gets to do well and I don't? That's not fair.
I don't know.
Can it be a coincidence? Yeah.
Oh?
I'm impressed. Numeral said line with lightning stone.
Oh.
Crazy. Oh
I was.
no, you weren't. Man, that's one big Molduga, bro. You know what I mean?
For real.
Yippee. There's a big pulsating testicle on the front of
You're a big pulsating testicle.
it. Thank you. So are the Gyptos like insects in this game?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Why not just make
I
like a
think they're a
different
mix.
enemy?
I think they're a mixture of dead people and bugs.
Hmm.
So I don't know.
Neato.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, you can't move or whatever. The lightning temple. What? Why is it called the? Okay.
Yeah, it should be called the Desert Temple, but whatever.
Ready to go.
Man, that range is so much shorter now. Come here.
Okay.
Sicko mode. Whoa. What the fuck? That's a pretty big thing.
Hmm.
What the fuck? Is this the boss? That's actually pretty sick. But we don't fight it yet, right?
Look, it's stirring up the sand trap. It must be responsible for all this. Come on, let's take it down together.
Did I do something wrong? Why are we fighting the boss already?
This has to be their next. Turned right. Does that mean it's like the other Gyptos?
Why wouldn't it be?
Our attack should be effective now. Nothing but sand wherever we look. Where did it go?
I can still see it. Alright, so it's gonna run. Yeah. Makes sense. Okay. Oh. It didn't. Did it? Okay, now it fled. That was neat.
Yeah.
Hey, it's like that thing in Skyward Sword. That vacuum cleaner thing.
What?
The vacuum cleaner. You don't remember? You played Skyward Sword and you don't know what I'm talking about? How could you?
I don't remember, man. Skyward Sword was such
A good game.
weird design. Oh, that's a stretch.
It was a really good game.
It would have been if it wasn't like made for the Wii.
You saying that the Wii isn't good?
I'm saying a lot of the games that were made for the Wii had terrible control schemes.
Oh shit.
These flames make it impossible to go further.
Do they?
Yeah. It's actually quite like well agreed upon by most people.
I just walked past them.
Hey, the flames have gone out. Now we can move ahead.
Oh yeah, I need to escort her or something. Yeah, I forgot about that.
What? Fireballs now?
Yeah.
Looks like we're stuck again.
Is she coming?
I am.
He raised his hand slowly. I am.
The fireball stopped. I'm on my way, Link.
Oh my god!
What?
That motherfucker cannot handle this. Sick. Hey, I can just use literally any of the guys I have on me right now, and they'll do probably the same. Well, except for Toolin. He won't do shit.
Yeah, Tillin ain't about that life.
Yeah, he's a savage in like a whole new other way, bro.
Yeah.
Why didn't that work? Did it work and I just am stupid? Or yeah, that's not working, right? I'm not tweeting. I'm not stupid. It's just not working. Oh shit. This is gonna suck. And actually, let's use this guy.
Are you alright?
Did the others talk to you? I don't remember.
Tulin did for sure.
I missed Toolin's voice. He had a pleasing voice.
Yeah.
I miss Sidon.
When he wasn't engaged.
Honestly, I don't care too much about that.
Eh.
Thank God I picked up some of these. So are there like other puzzles? Like, do I just have to get to the top? Or are there like other puzzles like before?
I think they're
Like
I
where I have
think
to
they're just like
activate
layered.
stuff? I just have to get up?
I think I'm pretty sure. I think everything opens as
Oh,
you go.
nope, never mind.
Oh.
You lied.
I don't fucking remember, dude.
You're supposed...
You're supposed to remember everything you did in this game, even though it was almost a year ago.
That's what I said. Yeah. I mean, I didn't say that, but, you know, I should have said that. What does this mean? Oh. What? Did I run in too fast?
What?
What? She's 12 and just barely taller than me. I'm a grown
Ass man, yeah.
I'm over 100 years old in this game.
Yep.
I came back from the dead and fought like a visage of an evil god.
Yep.
How dare they do this to me? Okay, her voice normally sounds, you know, alright, but why does she sound like this in her dialogue now?
Daughter of the Garuda.
Shut up. How cool would it be if
This
it was a
platform
guy?
connects to the very top of this temple.
Ganondorf.
Use your power to charge the 4 batteries,
Yeah, you're
and
right.
it will function once more.
They had batteries back in the day, dude.
Heed my
No
words.
fucking way.
No,
Yeah. Why did she sound like that?
I don't know.
AutoZone. What made that noise? Oh wait, can I just...
Ready.
Is there a way for me to like get an arrow through there? I guess not. Can you stop beeping, bro? Like, shit. Stop.
For real. Just shit.
Why am I on the walls? Look, did you hear about those chemicals in the water, bro?
Yeah, dude. Frog.
You know about. Get his head. Imagine throwing a fat fucking Goron at a guy that you don't like. Can you imagine? That sure would be crazy. Yeah, they got this. Yeah, they got that. Alright, looks like I have to come in from up there, I guess. Alright. So let's move forward, see if there's anything I can do back here. Doesn't look like it. Cause I gotta... What? Oh, yeah, so the one over here, right in front of me. It doesn't look like there's anything for that there. Or there. Man, there's 7 floors to this place? Jesus. That's a bit. No, it's a pyramid, so I guess that makes sense. Right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he gets it.
Oh my god, this guy. I must say the N-word.
Please don't. Oh my god. Whoa, bud. Whoa. Whoa.
I thought you could hear me.
What?
You had to. You didn't hear me before.
Were you saying something before?
Yeah.
I didn't know, but I heard that. I heard that, and the audience only heard that.
I think you need to cut that one. I think.
Really, you don't say. You
I
think
don't know.
I should cut that? You think so?
Yeah, probably. No, I think you should keep that in.
Okay.
I'll leave that area to you, Link.
Why can't you be like the guys, Raiju? Like Jesus. It's not that hard to fly. Like, have you ever tried it? Not that hard.
Not.
Yeah, I'm not waiting for that. Oh, the light! The light! Alright, so do I have to match these two up? There we go. There was rocks there. There was like solid rock.
Yeah.
Alright. That's one. Or another one. Apparently.
This thing is going to be a problem.
Will it? That's pretty funny. One rock and and it just fails.
Yep.
Hey, the trap is disabled. We can get past now.
You're welcome. Come at me.
We do not associate with you.
You're giving me a lot of mirror shields. I wonder why. It's almost like that's a useful item or something. Like, that'd be totally weird if it was though.
Nah. You can't break it like that. It's clearly not a bombable surface. You gotta open it somehow.
There's cracks in it.
Ooh, there's a crack. Like my mother's.
Right? Oh.
What? What? What?
Stop.
I said M-I-G-A.
Stop. Just stop. Stop.
M.
I don't care what you
Starts
said.
with
You gotta
M.
stop talking about it.
Okay. Just gives up and uses the actual mirror.
Yippee. What yippers
Yippee.
one might say.
Yummers.
No, not yummers, yippers. Man, I'm so cool. Like you, like
Absolutely.
no one ain't got shit on me, bro. You know? You feel me?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Ready your bow.
That's one.
Sickle mode.
So this is one of the batteries. All right, 3 left.
Sure, bud. Where was that other? There was another thing, I believe, right? Who had it? Oh, down there. All right, so down here is another one. Alright, get my Korok leaf. So I can now freely move these mirrors. Where is the light coming from? Will the light care to shine on us for this day? Please?
Nah.
Or is it below me?
Ow. I
It's
hit my hand.
below me. You hit your hand? What is
No, I
that
hit
do?
my head.
On
I hit my
what?
head.
How did you hit your hand?
And you know, the backboard. The backboard.
The back ribs?
Backboard.
Alright, how do I get it up here? Is there only one source of light in this? Magma?
Oh no. I think so, and you just gotta redirect it.
Alright.
like a waffle.
You know, I feel like there's definitely a better way to do this. Like, there's gotta be like an intended way to do this.
So you see how there's all those little columns in between with those little statues?
Yeah.
I think like in one, I don't know which area it is, but there's one that you're gonna have to hit that has like a mirror thing.
Well, yeah, I know that, but I don't know where to redirect the. Like, how do I redirect this biggest thing of light?
I don't know. Can you stop the rotation or whatever?
Why would I
remember.
stop the rotation? That's how it's getting out.
No, I'm saying so that way the light stays putting
No,
out and you don't
I
have to
can't.
like wait every.
Do that.
Did you do anything in that room?
Yeah, I got the light source. Like, I fixed it.
I have a
Nothing else in
no.
here. Alright. Well, let's see. Cause like there's these guys up here, but I don't know how to get it up here. Oh, you lied. Can't believe you do that. Or rather, rock. You want rock? Or should I? Alright, let's get up. That's another one. You mind fucking moving? Hello? Jesus.
What?
She was taking forever.
You want to stay?
Huh?
What away? What away?
You are hella glitching out right now.
Huh?
Your voice glitched out. I didn't know
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say?
I wasn't even talking to you. I don't know why you're getting so upset.
I thought you were like,
No, no one even talked about you. No one spoke about you. No one talked to you, bro. Like, you're irrelevant.
Use.
I do. Then stand the fuck still, bro. Alright, now you with, I don't know, like, a fucking silver Lizalfa. Shit. Or, not Lizalfa, silver Lakaja. Yeah, they got that motherfucker. Alright, now where... Now what is up here? Alright, this is where I'm supposed to direct the light. Alright. That's doable. Now, boom. And you know what? Let me just fucking.
Check mark.
Nope. Alright, and we're gonna end this one here. See you guys in the next one. Later.